Dear students of class 1, I am Mrs. Neha Makkad and in this video we are going to study the strokes of the alphabets A, R, V, X and Z. Now children, let us first understand the basic stroke of these letters. So like I have written here two S together. So firstly we need to understand the basic stroke. That is, you have to take the curve line up, make a small loop and then come back like this. So, take the curve line up, make a small loop and come back like this. Take a small curve, make a small loop and come back like this. So, this practice we need to do first before we begin with the letters or alphabets S and R. So like what I am doing here children, again I am taking the small curve here like this. I am making a small loop like this. Then I am coming back on the bottom line and then I am making a small tail like this. Once more I will demonstrate the letter S to you. So children, first you have to make a basic small curve like this. Then you have to make a small loop like this. And then you have to take it down on the bottom line. And then you have to bring it back by making a small tail here. So now in a similar way children, we have to make the alphabet R there. You have to again make a small curve like this. Okay. After that, you have to make a small loop like this. And then you have to take the curve here like this. And then you have to bring it back on the down line. And then again make a small curve like this. Again, I will show you the letter R. We don't have to make it very sloping like this. We have to stick to the line like this. So, we will make the small basic curve like this. Then we will make a small loop like this. And then we will take this line at the top only. And then we will bring it back on the bottom line by making a small tail curve. Now children, we will make the next letter or alphabet, that is V. Again children, we have to make a small basic curve like this. Then we have to make the fringe, but we have to make the fringe a little bit pointed. We don't have to make a curve like U. We have to make the tail bit pointed like this. So we will make it children. We will start from the middle line. We will take it to the third line. Then again we will bring it back. And then by making a small curve loop like this, we will turn the line in a form of a tail. Again I will show you the letter V children. Now you make a small basic curve like this. Then you bring that line down to the third line. Then you again take it up. Then you make a small curve like this and then you make a small tail like this. So this is the letter V. Now let us come to the next letter or alphabet, that is X. Now children, it is very simple because if you carefully look at it, it is the formation of two C's in two different directions. This is just to understand how to make the letter X. Now children, we are making a small basic curve like this, like we do for the alphabet C. But instead of taking the curve back, we are making a curve from the second line to the third line like this. And then we will make one more curve in the opposite direction like this. So this is the letter X. Now children, again I'll show you how to make this. So what we will do, we will make a small basic curve like this. Then we will, instead of bringing it inside for the C, we will take it outside and make a curve like a C. And then we will again start from the middle line and then make a C in this direction. So if you carefully look at it, it's a C in this direction and then in the other direction. So this is the basic way to learn the formation of the letter X. Now children, let us come to the letter Z. Now children, we will make a small basic curve like this. Okay. Then we will, from the second line, we will bring it to the third line. Then again from here, we will come to the bottom line. Then again we will make a loop like this and bring it back on the second line. Again I'll show you, it's a little bit different. We will make a small basic formation of the curve like this. Then we will, from the second line, we are coming on the third line. From second line to the third line. And then we will touch the bottom line with this. Then we will make a curve loop like this. And then we will again touch back the second blue line. So children, these are the formations of the letters S, R, V, X and Z. Firstly, you need to practice the basic S-shape formation like this, because if you know this, you can easily make the letter S and R. The formation of V is different. It is pointed. It's not like U. And X and Z are similar. So you will be able to make these formations. You have to practice this in your copy and write one full page. And you have to use a dark HB pencil and not pen. I am using pen just for the clarity of the video. So thank you children.